Welcome to a video walkthrough from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this powerful and stunning 2014 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. This Titan has a ton of features and its towing capacity is legendary. So let's jump right in and take a look. Power for this Titan comes from a 5.6 liter V8 engine matted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. It's riding on 18-inch alloy wheels with really great tires. Starting out at the front, we have our fog lights and our blacked out grille with chrome trim, color matched bumper. Coming around to the side, we have our V8 and Titan badging. Black mirrors and door handles, and we do have the double cab 4-door, so your passengers will have no problem hopping in and out. We also have the rear privacy glass for your passengers, and we have a great canopy already installed, and we do have our factory installed running boards there as well. So let's hop in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. Taking a look inside, we have this perfect like new condition black leather interior with the Pro-4X badging. Looking up top, we do have our power moonroof up there. And as you can see, that perfect leather interior carries through to the back. We've got seating for 3 back here or a pull down center console if you've only got 2 passengers and would like some extra cup holders. We do also have more cup holders down there, and we do have the rear climate control to keep your passengers nice and toasty in the winter and cool in the summer. This truck does have the power sliding rear window as well. Opening up the door and taking a look, we've got our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, which does include the power folding mirrors as well. Both the front driver and passenger side seats are power, and on the driver's side we've got 2 memory settings. Moving over here is our traction control, and then our parking assist sensors, and right here is our power adjustable pedals. So we hop in, we do have a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And on this side, we have our audio controls plus our Bluetooth hands-free calling. And over here is our cruise control. So let's start it up. We've got all our normal bits and pieces up here on the dash, and using your steering wheel controls, there's a little bit extra info you can scroll through. If we come down here, we have our 4x4 options. And up here we can see it is equipped with a full navigation system, also an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, and it is set up for satellite radio as well. Down here we have our climate control, and moving even further down we have our heated front seats, locking differential, tow mode, power options, and then our shifter cup holders and a lot of storage. Moving back around, we can get another view of just how much room we've got back there for your passengers and the top condition that this truck is in. Up here, like I said, is your lights and then your power moonroof controls. And if we go back to the central dash, we can hit our menu button, and we do have a bunch of different options for your navigation, or there is a bunch of different audio options as well. There is also auxiliary power and USB input, so you can plug in your phone, your iPod, or what have you. So let's hop around back and take a look at what we have for cargo space. Around back, one thing I would like to point out is down here we do have a lockable little extra storage area for smaller items. And then we do have the color matched bumper back here, and down here is our trailer hitch plus all of our electrical for hooking up your trailer brakes. We have the Titan and Pro-4X branding, and once again we've got this gorgeous canopy. Coming up a bit closer, we do have the lock for your tailgate as well as the canopy. Opening it up, we do have the tailgate dampener, so it's not going to slam open or closed on you. Looking inside, the bed is in really good condition. It is set up for a tonneau cover, and we've got all of our tie downs, extra power outlets, and pretty much everything you need to keep your cargo safe and secure. Thank you very much for joining me to check out this 2014 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. If you'd like to take it for a spin, please come on down to 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada. Or if you just want some more information, please give us a call. One of our amazing product advisors would be more than happy to fill you in. Or you can check out our website at KelownaToyota.com to get information on this truck or to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. You can also check us out on social media, Instagram and Facebook at KelownaToyota.com to see what we've got going on down here. We hope everybody's having an absolutely fantastic winter season. Please drive safe, and we are excited to see you soon.